I just finished washing my laundry. Now, let's go take a look at how to fold and hang different types of clothes. Let's go! Today we're starting off learning all about how to fold different types of shirts. The first step is to figure out where's the tag so we know what's the front and the back of the shirt. Once you found the tag, flip the shirt over so that you see the back of the shirt and lay it down. Next, you want to flatten the shirt. Try and get rid of those wrinkles as much as possible. Now you want to pretend there's an imaginary line going down from the top of the shoulder on each side of the shirt, all the way down, and that's where you want to fold the shirt over. Do the same thing on the other side. Look for that imaginary line and fold it over. Now you fold the bottom of the shirt up to the top. There you have it. If you'd like, you can fold the shirt one more time, depending how you have it organized in your dresser or in your closet. It's your choice. Let's look at the steps again, this time with a long sleeve shirt. Again, you want to flip it so you're looking at the back of the shirt. Then flatten the shirt down to try and get rid of those wrinkles. Look for that imaginary line from the shoulder, and then fold the sleeve down as well. Since it's a long sleeve, you have to fold the sleeve out of the way. And now again, fold the shirt up. There you have it. Ta-da! If you'd like, you can fold it one more time. If you're working with a shirt that has buttons, like this one that has a couple buttons at the top of this polo shirt, it's a good idea to try and button those first if you can. At least button the top one to make it easy. Once you have it buttoned up, flip the shirt over just like you did with your other shirts. Try and lay it down flat. Use the palm of your hand to flatten down those creases to try and get rid of the wrinkles. Once again, look for that imaginary line and fold the sleeve over towards the center of your shirt. Then do the same thing on the other side. Pretend you have an imaginary line and fold that side over. Then fold the bottom of the shirt up towards the top of the shirt. Then you can flip your shirt over and ta-da, it's folded. Fix the collar if you need. Let me show you one more time, this time with a long sleeve button up that goes all the way from the bottom of the shirt to the top. Button up those buttons if you're able to, at least the top one. It's okay if you don't do them all. Then I like to fix the collar. And again, flip that shirt over so you're looking at the back of the shirt. Flatten out the shirt as much as possible. And then look for that imaginary line from the shoulder to the bottom of the shirt and flip it towards the center of the shirt. Then fold the sleeve down. Repeat this on the other side. Then once again, grab the bottom of the shirt and fold it towards the top of the shirt. And flip it all over to reveal your beautifully folded shirt. Again, if you want, you can fold it one more time. Here's my stack of shirts. Now, let me show you this really cool tool to help you if you need a little bit more help when folding, or if you just think it's more fun like this. The steps are pretty much the same. You want to lay your shirt down and figure out, is this the front or the back? Here's the tag, so I'm going to flip the shirt over and lay it on this tool flat with the face down or the back of the shirt facing up. Then flip one side, flip the other side, and then flip the bottom towards the top. It's really quite fun. Then your shirt is nicely folded. Let me show you again. Lay the shirt flat on this folding tool. Flatten it to try and get rid of wrinkles. Then flip one side, flip the other side, and flip the flap from the bottom towards the top of the shirt. Now you can see both these shirts are folded perfectly to go in my closet. Check out how good Taylor Swift looks. This is how I like to store my shirts, but you want to fold them to fit how you store your shirts at home. Now that you've learned how to fold t-shirts, don't forget to practice at home. Then click this link up here. Bye.